Hey y'all, Yolanda with Marquee Media here. Today, let's have some fun with ChatGPT. If you've ever wanted to check your horoscope, pull a tarot card, or get some mystical guidance from the universe, I'm about to show you how you can do it all with ChatGPT so you don't have to download a million plus one apps to your phone. AI can be your personal astrologer, tarot reader, and life coach all in one. Let's get into it. Let's start with horoscopes because who doesn't love a little, what's the universe got in store for me today type of a moment? But listen, we're not doing those boring, vague horoscopes that could apply to literally anyone. We're making it personal. So try this as your prompt. Give me a fun, kind of dramatic horoscope for your sign today, but make it feel like my best friend is giving me the tea. I asked ChatGPT for a Capricorn reading, and it told me to stop overworking myself and let the people around me actually help me for once. Like, why is AI coming for me like this? I feel attacked. But anyways, you can also switch it up. Want something a little more extra? Try this. Write me a horoscope for your sign as if I'm starring in a reality TV show. Because let's be real, some days it really does feel like we're living in a season finale. I just want off this show. Now, let's talk tarot. If you don't have a deck handy, ChatGPT has got you covered. Here is a simple way to pull a virtual card. Your prompt is, act as a tarot reader and pull one card for me. Explain its meaning and how it applies to my day. Ooh, let's say it pulls the Fool. ChatGPT will tell you it's about new beginnings, taking risk, and trusting the journey. But if you want a full-blown reading, go for something like this prompt. Give me a detailed 3-card tarot reading for past, present, and future. This one is perfect when you need a little insight before making big moves or decisions like texting your ex. Spoiler alert, if the Tower card shows up, don't do it. If you're feeling real mystical, you can ask ChatGPT for deeper guidance. Try this prompt. Give me a positive affirmation based on my zodiac sign. If I were on a spiritual journey, what lesson should I focus on today? Or even create a fun and magical morning ritual for me using astrology and tarot. And just like that, you've got your own AI-powered spiritual advisor. Who needs a crystal ball when you've got ChatGPT, right? Okay, so now it's your turn. Drop your zodiac sign in the comments and try these prompts and let me know what it said for you. And did you like the guidance that it gave? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next AI magic trick I've got up my sleeve.